Okay, welcome back, and now let's dive into the second questions about world data sets. Let's visualize our sharing PowerPoint presentation. So, about the analyze project world data set analysis. In the introduction to world data set, we are world data set, which contains information about countries, cities, and languages. The key decision makers and stakeholders inside these decision makers, government officials, policymakers, and stakeholders is citizens, international organization, classmates, and me. So the overview of data sets tables where we can find country tables, city table, country languages, language, and the data inside our country names, populations, and languages. So let's dive in the 10 slides where world data set diagram is. We are three main tables. We are country, we are where the code country is the primary key, and country table are joining the country language where we have two keys where the primary country code is the primary key, the language are referring to maybe I think so, and the city is joined the country code too, and city of the ID primary key. So 11 slide I demonstrated Guichi Archer's question 1, where his question is what countries have the highest life expectancy. So my query in this case accurately list the countries with the highest life expectancy, demonstrating my mastery of data extracting and storing techniques. So we can see the screenshot here, showing already the country, the result about the country and the life expectancy. So let's dive into the SQL Server Management Studio, and in the Word data set we can go on the second. Oh my god, my computer is slow, my bad. So let's go back here and we can go on the second query here. Dungas to this one, yeah. I'm gonna search here and I'm gonna click on word data set. We go here, select the word data set, and doing out equations one, what countries have the highest life expectancy, and my answers were to provide a list of countries stored by life expectancy in this descending order. Let's go on model here, word sorry, and we use word to assuming the data set is stored in data set named word, and we selected names as country, life expectancy as life expectancy, and from country where life expectancy is non-null, exclude new values, excluding the new values non-null, and order by life expectancy decrease. Okay, and then let's compute. We can find the resistance country and life expectancy. The country are Andorra, Marcos, San Marino, Ghana, and life expectancy in decimal result. We are decreased from this one to this one from Zambia. And then let's move into the second slide. That will be the 12th slide. The same person Dangust Archer's question 2, how many countries are in the African region with their city languages, capitals, populations, and local names? So my query effectively lists countries in the African region with various details such as cities, languages, capitals, and populations, demonstrating a comprehensive analysis of demographic data. So let's move in SQL Server Studio Management, and the second question here we can just scroll down here, and then we find second question. Don't go out to question 2, how many countries are in the African region with their cities, languages, capitals, population, and local names? So my answer was really simple. Provide the list of countries in there. African region along with their cities, languages, capitals, populations, and local names. So we use the word yet, and we select the names as country, the capital is capital, the population as population, language as language, the name as city, and population as city population. So the local name as local name. And from the country, we has join city and country languages table where content the continent it will be equal to Africa, and we order by name. So let's compute this code. This, and we can see our country, capital, population, language, city, population, local name. We have we return SQL Server management student return each information according to join form we used, and the country, capital, and so on and so on, and each respective information about data word. So let's move on to free question. On the slide 13, we have my query. So the doing is actually question 3. Create a list of all countries with their government form and head of state. So my query provides a list of all countries with their form of government and head of state, offering an insight into global governance structures. You can see the screenshot here represent what you are saying. So let's dive into the code to find these questions here, the question 3, and maybe use word to DataSet. Select name as country, government form, head of state, and from country. When we compute this code, we have simply the country, government form, and the head of state. We have country Aruba, for example. We have government form, non-metropolitan territory of the Netherlands, and the head of state we have Beatrix, and so on, so on, so on. All the information is reported here. Okay, let's move on the last questions according to the word that I said here. On the data set we have 14 questions. That's the hand. This one is my own question. Question 4, Sherman Kinzer's question 4. Which countries have English listed as an official language, and what are their code rankings in the world? So in this case, my query very simply provides the precise list of countries where English is considered an official language, along with their ranking, providing valuable information for the analysis of language demographics. So let's dive into the SQL Server Management Studio, and we can compute the code. Here is the code we use the word, and we select the name as country, the code as country code, and from country as we join country language, and code country equal on language and code equal country code, where language equal English. So and we create here is official equal T. So then let's compute, use this code, execute. We have the result here. Sorry, we have country and country code, the respective code and the country, while using the official language English. We are American someone, so and the respective code. Okay, I think that's all for these representations, and I wish you best of luck and thank you for watching. Goodbye.